guide, I'm going to show you guys how to send old pictures as a new snaps on Snapchat. Let's get started. First, launch your Snapchat app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Make sure the picture or video you want to send is saved in your phone's gallery. Now, instead of sending it directly from Snapchat memories, which can show that it is an old snap, you'll need to use a different method to look like it is a new capture. So click on the search icon given at the top. Now type in camera roll. Once the filter appears, click on it. Now this will allow you to access your saved photos and videos. Tap on view all to browse your gallery. From here you can choose any image or video you want to send as a snap. So I have selected this picture. Now click on this icon given at the bottom middle. Now your snap is ready. You can click on send to, select the friends to whom you want to send it. Now you can see that Snapchat will treat it as a regular snap instead of a memory upload, making it appear more natural and fresh to the recipient. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.